Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know I have been saying that I wanted to pick up a practice hand, so I finally bit the bullet, okay, and I invested in a really good practice hand, okay, a bomb practice hand, the practice hand of all practice hands. So I'm really excited because you guys know, like, I try to film at least twice a week, and with me taking my nails off twice a week, my real nails have just been screaming, okay? So that's why you guys see that I have these really basic nails, because I plan on just leaving them for a while and just using my practice hand. I kept checking the Red Iguana website, and then I finally just set my alarm for the restock and then went on the site and purchased. So I have two boxes here. One is the stand that I bought, which is this one, and then this one is the actual hand. So I will go ahead and show you guys. So we first talk about the packaging. It's so cute, just bomb everything. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and the hand is inside of this mesh little baggie. So in the box, you of course you get the hand. I did end up getting the half hand, and I will tell you guys why in a second. You get a ring to put on your hand, not your real hand, but your fake hand. And then you also get instructions how to use your silicone hand right here, and you also get a 5% off coupon code. Let me tell you guys, so when I went to purchase, I watched all the videos on YouTube, people using the practice hand. I want to say 60% of them had discount codes in their description box. None of them worked. Like, I don't know if she like gives it out for like 3 days and then she just take it back, but nobody's, like, even long hair pretty nails, and she's still pretty, like, she's popping. Her coupon code did not work, and I tried it, uppercase, lowercase, did not work. So yeah, so she's stingy with the coupon codes, but nonetheless, I think it's because she knows her products are bomb and we're gonna buy it anyway. But yeah, so if you're looking to purchase and you want a discount, she's giving out 5%, okay? So you type in hello 5, you get 5% off, more than what I got off, okay? So if you guys would like that, go ahead and use it. So I ended up picking up the half hand, and the color I got is Analuisa. So this is her here. So this is the second from the darkest shade. I figured this one was the closest to my skin tone, so I picked her up. So this is her. I did pick up the half hand because honestly, the half hand, and I got Poseable. So she's Poseable, so you can bend her, you can do all kinds of things. You can Black Lives Matter her, all kinds of things, and it's just bomb. So I picked this up, and I got the half hand because I felt it really unnecessary for me to have the full hand. 4 fingers is enough for me, and honestly, I hate doing my thumb anyway. And here, when I say quality, she did that. Just look at that. She does an amazing job with making these. Just amazing. I would charge $100 too if I was making this. This is nice. This is really nice quality. Like, I'm happy, okay? No complaints so far. We're gonna see how she hold up. I just think it's amazing what people can do. Like, how do you even do this? How do you do this? Like, this is just great. I'm happy with my purchase. I think it looks really natural. It feels really good. Worth the price. The Poseable one, the Poseable half hand, is $89. Yeah, I would say it's definitely worth it. I'm excited to pull her out and use her and see all the bomb looks I can create without damaging my own nails. Probably in the future I will pick up the full hand, but I'm really happy with the half hand for now. I like that these have like little pockets. Let me see. Alright, random nail, and you can just put the nail in a little pocket and it'll stay. Of course you wouldn't use this. You wouldn't use this stiletto tip one, but it'll stay. Of course, she does have like Gorilla Glue and all kinds of things that you can purchase on her website if you want the nails to stay in place, but I didn't purchase those. I did purchase, however, I purchased these little double-sided little nail tab things just to try these out and see how they stick. If it doesn't work, I'm pretty sure I got something around this apartment that I can use. The Gorilla Glue that she sells on her website, it's the same one they sell in like Walmart. So if I want it, I can just go pick it up. But yeah, I picked these little double-sided nail tabs up off her site as well. They were $1 just to give it a try and see if it works out on the hand. really cool. And again, these are posable. You can get the one that's not posable. I know it's cheaper, but why not just go ahead and treat yourself and get you a posable hand? But I just love how natural it looks. It would even be even more bomb if the under part was a lighter tone like a natural hand is. But I like it. And I like that she's inclusive, okay? I like that it comes in a bunch of different skin tones, you know. Pick your flavor. I like that. So in this box here, I picked up the stand. This stand is always out of stock on her site. I told you guys I had to set my alarms in order to get my hands on this stuff. So this is the stand here. So you just clamp one into your workstation. So I'm at my desk, so I'm gonna clamp that. Okay, so you see she's stuck, she's staying, she in place. So on this side, you're just going to take your hand, and then it's really sturdy, and you just clamp it in there, and voila. And it's adjustable. You can move it and groove it however you want. Of course, when I'm using it, I'm going to clamp it on the other side of my desk and work from here. But I like this, and I'm really excited to use this. So I did name her already. Her name is Jada. So say hi to Jada. She's going to be getting a lot of use on my channel. I plan on just using and abusing her, okay? And then I'll get to learn how to work from this angle so that I can learn how to do other people's nails. You don't know how many times where like I want to do other people's nails, but I'm just so nervous. I'm going to get a lot of practice with her, and you know, over time I'll get more comfortable and I'll be able to do other people's nails. Of course, I'm going to go to school first before I start charging for nails, but in the meantime, I want to get all of the practice here on my baby girl Jada. Yeah, you guys, so this is just an unboxing. I will have a review coming up on this, from how I like it, and if it's even beginner friendly, like can I even get the nails to stay on the thing, you know? So stay tuned for my channel for that. Let me know any questions you guys have below. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and just thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. You just no idea how much I appreciate you guys. But yeah, I'm going to be back on my normal uploading schedule. Don't really have a schedule, but I'm going to be back as much as I can. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.